Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a program in Python to check a number whether it is prime or not prime. Okay, prime or composite. Okay, so first I will take the input. I will take a variable n and take the input int input. I will write here enter n here. Okay, and now I will take a for loop for I in range, and I will be live from 2 to n upon 2 plus 1. Okay, I am starting I from 1, not from 2, from not from I am starting I from 2, not from 1, because if you take the value of an initial value of I is 1, then it will divide all the values. Like if you take n equal to 10, then it will also divide 10. If you take n equal to 7, 7 is a prime number, so it will one way I will be divided 7, so it will be not the prime number. So that's why I am starting I from 2, and start the last value of maximum value of I will be n upon 2. Okay, means this total value minus 1, so n upon 2. Okay, and I'm taking n upon 2 because the maximum value which can divide any number is that half, like 20. The maximum value which can divide 20 is 20 upon 2, like 10. Okay, 11 cannot divide 20, 12 cannot divide 20. The maximum value which can divide any number is that number upon 2. Okay, and here I will write a condition: if n modulus I is equal to 0, then I will update. I will take a variable here, status equal to 0, and here if this condition is true, then I will update the status to 1. Okay, and outside this for loop I will write a condition: if status is equal to 0, then we will say this condition is false, means status is not updated. So I will write here the number is prime, means n is prime number. Okay, else, means if status is updated, means status is 1, then I will write n is composite number. I think the number which are not prime, that are composite numbers. So okay, if that is not prime, then it will be composite number. Let's run the code. Take the value of n to be 7, so 7 is a prime number, so 7 is prime number. Take a value like 2, 2 is also prime number, 2 is minimum prime number, so 2 is also prime number. Like 9, 9 is not a prime number, it is divisible by 3. Enter, so 9 is composite number. Okay, you can also write in else condition like n is not a prime number. Okay, it is not compulsory to write composite number. Take like 10, so 10 is composite number, 10 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.